Kimi K3 completed a full SaaS launch package in one autonomous run. It built the analysis, deck, landing page, claims ledger, and launch copy. Then, after 27 minutes of work, its final reply failed. This was a controlled Hermes Agent test using the exact model ID moonshot AI/Kimi K3 through OpenRouter. Subagents were disabled. The workspace contained a synthetic 300-user trial dataset, conflicting product claims, market data, and launch constraints. The agent had to produce 8 required artifacts, stay inside the local workspace, avoid unsupported product claims, and verify its own work. The recording was continuous, and no human intervened during the run. Kimi started by reading the source files and recomputing the business metrics. It rejected the stale memo's enterprise-first recommendation. Startup users had the strongest activation, conversion, and retention, so the model chose a conditional launch focused on startups. It then created the recommendation, a formula-driven spreadsheet with 3 charts, an 8-slide deck, a responsive landing page, social and email copy, a 45-row claims ledger, and a final quality report. Several verification scripts failed on their first pass, but the agent patched them and reran the checks. The files were real, not placeholders. The deck rendered cleanly in Keynote. The landing page opened correctly in a browser. The spreadsheet contained 5 sheets, 691 formulas, and 3 charts. All 8 required paths existed and passed successfully. The runtime validator displayed 93.27. An independent audit found 2 validator errors. It rejected decimal percentage formatting, and it treated forbidden claims quoted for rejection as active marketing claims. The corrected automated score was 100. Human review still found one small miss. An ex-post heading said 118 characters, while the actual post and caption said 138. The important failure happened at the end. Kimi used all 60 iterations. Hermes asked it for a final summary, but Moonshot returned an upstream 429 rate limit. The artifacts were complete and independently valid, yet the final natural language response was not delivered. The OpenRouter generation log puts the scored run at $1.77. Prompt caching was high, but cost is only supporting context here. The more useful result is the operational split between completed work and failed final reporting. For this one synthetic task, Kimi K3 was strong at long-horizon analysis, artifact creation, and self-repair. It was weaker at stopping efficiently and closing the loop under provider limits. 8 artifacts completed. 0 human interventions. Final classification, artifact complete, final response failure.